A woman in the middle of this okay. Whoever that is died yesterday. Who the fuck is howling like that? Right there? You guys have guns in this country? Yeah? I don't even think you're having a good time. Get that banshee out of here. Sir, is this normal? Oh my God, sex with you would never sound consensual. You sure you want to do this? Yes! Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to stop having fun. Oh my God. Jesus. No, don't actually kick her out. No.